This tutorial guides you through submitting a review on the Crazywhiz platform. Click the Testimonials section available at footer of the website to access user reviews and feedback. Click Write a Review link to start composing your feedback about a service or product. Share your experience and write a review to help others make informed decisions. Post honest feedback, rate services or products, and contribute to a trusted community of reviewers. Book Tutor. Click here to provide a star rating about the Crazywhiz services. Enter a title of your review to provide a concise summary of your experience. Write a detailed review to describe your experience and share detailed feedback. Type your name to enter your name for identification in the review. Mention your email to input your email for contact purposes. Click this slider button confirming that TH review is based on my own experience and is my genuine opinion to verify authenticity. Click Submit Review to finalize and post your feedback to the community.